Are you missing your family? Do you need a well-deserved holiday? Is there a business deal that you have to seal? If so, you're probably asking yourself, how safe is it to travel by plane during COVID-19? The answer is, it's much safer than you'd probably think. To start with, you can significantly cut the risk yourself by wearing a mask, cleaning your hands and checking in online to minimise contact at the airport. But there's many other measures to help keep you safe on your journey. For instance, when you arrive at the airport, ground staff will be wearing masks. There'll be physical distancing wherever possible, and passengers will have quick temperature checks so that only those who show no symptoms of COVID will be allowed to board. On the plane, flight attendants will also be wearing masks. There'll be less movement on board, so you won't be coming into contact with other passengers as much as you used to. And the cabin, including the toilets, will be very thoroughly and frequently cleaned and disinfected. Last but not least, what you probably don't know is that nearly all planes today have a very sophisticated air filter system. It catches more than 99.9% of particles, including bacteria and viruses like COVID. The cabin air is also renewed with fresh air from the outside every 2 to 3 minutes. That means what you breathe on board is pretty much the same quality as the air you'd find in a hospital operating room. Put it together, and flying remains one of the safest travel alternatives, even during COVID-19.